It's a well-known fact that the better your videos look, the more viewers you'll get, and that results in more top Google and YouTube rankings, more free traffic, and ultimately more conversions, which means even more money in your pocket for just a few clicks of your mouse. One of the best features of the LiveVidRanker software you've just purchased is the ability to upload any video you want and have it live streamed hundreds of times with a simple mouse click. Because of this powerful video upload feature, you never have to show your face or actually do real live streaming video, and it gives you a chance to make sure the videos you're uploading look great, get viewed, engage your audience, and convert at the highest level possible. With that being said, editing videos is not very newbie-friendly. If you're adding images to a video or actually editing the video content, traditionally you'd need to spend money on expensive software tools. And getting a quality image editor and video creator would easily set you back hundreds of dollars. That's why we've put together a very special upgrade bundle that includes both a high-quality image editor and a video creator. This image editor is point-and-click simple and 100% newbie-friendly. And when you upgrade and get this add-on, you'll be able to create unlimited images that you can use to create unlimited videos. The images you'll create with this image editor are absolutely stunning. So stunning, it will look like a designer created them. And again, the better your images, the better your videos. And that means more traffic and more money in your pocket. The video creator we're including in this bundle is just as powerful. And the best part about the included video creator is how easy it is to use simple images to create stunning, high-quality videos. Most video creation tools take weeks or even months to learn, but we've made this one newbie-friendly. Regardless of your technical skills and experience, you'll be able to edit any of your videos with a simple point and click of your mouse. Having both the video creator and image editors gives you the ability to create stunning videos that get big results in just a couple of minutes. Although we could easily charge you hundreds of dollars for this upgrade bundle, as a valued customer, you'll get both the image editor and the video creator bundle at a massive discount. And we're completing waiving the monthly fees and reducing the price when you click the button below now and get this money-making upgrade. But whatever you do, please do not close this page without upgrading. If you wait and try to come back and upgrade later, you'll risk paying more for this money-making upgrade. And that's why we're going to make it super easy for you to get this now by giving you the next 30 days to really make sure this is for you. If you change your mind or you're not satisfied for any reason, just let us know and we'll get you a refund with no questions asked. The bottom line is this: if you need stunning videos to get the best results possible with the LiveVidRanker software you've just purchased, this makes it easier than ever for you to create pro-quality videos with a few clicks. This is for you. Click the button below right now to take advantage of the special discounted pricing and get instant access to LiveVidRanker right now.